I imagine there's no magic tool to evaluate, how much a solution is going to cost and how long it's gonna survive. But I'm wondering, Bjorn, because you're in the domain of tooling and instrumenting and measuring and optimizing, what are the main ways developers, in particular, whether they're hardware and software developers, how can they approach that problem if they're ahead of a project and they're just like, hey, should I go with energy harvesting on that one or not? How do you recommend them to approach this problem?
Yeah, I mean the solution is always use case dependent. I mean, what are you building it for? There is not one solution for this, but it's with the right tooling, it's pretty simple to start working. I mean, the focus to start with is, of course, to have a low current consumption for the communication part and the measurement and calculation part, because if you have that optimized, that makes it easier to select the energy harvesting part. And then you can go and see how much energy do I really need. And then you can start, I mean, looking at different PV cells like voltaics ones and see how much energy can you actually get from them. And it's pretty simple also to test this. Of course, to test it in different conditions might be the tough task to do it. I mean, to be out the door in minus 40 degrees in a sunny winter day or something like that. I mean, to do all this testing in the lab, it takes some skill and some tools to do that. And we help the developers do this, to do the testing in their lab instead of standing freezing out the door and doing the tests there. So I mean, there's always a start to do the measurement, and it's to see that you have a net positive energy flow into the storage